All right. Court is calling 2019 CR 621. I'm sorry. Court is calling 2019 CR 6231B, State of Texas versus Julie Clark. Could I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Jason Jorgens for the state.
Defense.
Ms. Clark.
And are you Miss Julie Clark?
Yes.
All right. Ms. Clark, I'm going to show you what's entitled Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? Are you the same Julie Clark who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2019 CR 6231B for the offense of forgery of a commercial instrument of check on October 24th, 2019 for a period of 3 years and extended for a period of 2 years? Is that you?
Yes.
State?
Your Honor, in this case, the state alleges in Bexar County, Texas. Between the date the defendant, Julie Clark, was placed on community supervision and the date of filing hereof for restitution, the defendant should have remitted $6,850, but has only remitted $93 in violation of condition number 10F.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
We'll waive the remaining allegation, Your Honor.
Any objections to the waivers?
No, ma'am.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation 10F, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, sentence you up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine? Did you understand?
Yes.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true
Yes.
to violation of condition 10F?
Yes.
All right, the court will find 10F true. Can we go off the record for a moment? Why do I have this case and it's from the 227th? All the documents say 227th on it.
It was transferred to you. I don't know why myself, it was transferred to you. It's possible that I'm getting some of those because the judge in that court now, that was a section chief of some of the cases. And so they're getting rid of those cases out of there and sending them to other courts. I don't know if that's in this case.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, are you keeping up with the transfers? All right, is there an agreement?
There is. Yes, Your Honor. The agreement is for the court to deny the motion to continue Ms. Clark on community supervision with the added conditions of the mentally impaired caseload placement, with the added condition of money management class, and with the added condition of the theft program level 2. For both of those classes, Your Honor, we're asking the court to order those to be completed within 60 days. And as a part of this agreement, we're asking the court to take condition CM number 105351.
All right, is that the agreement?
Yes.
Ms. Clark, are you asking the court to follow that agreement?
Yes.
All right, Ms. Clark, can you raise your right hand for me, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes.
All right, you can lower your hand if you'll state your name for the record.
Julie Clark.
All right, so Ms. Clark, I'm going to ask you some questions. And the reason why I'm asking you these questions is not to embarrass you, but it's to figure out what's going on in your life and what we can do to make sure that you complete everything successfully. So I'm being told that they want a mental health evaluation. What's going on?
I was in a 7-year abuse relationship, and it didn't end good at all. I almost died twice.
I'm sorry, what?
I almost died twice,
Okay,
so I have a little emotional problem.
all
And
right.
then I'm not from here. I have no family here except my daughters, but they're always working, and I have 5 grandkids. So I'm trying to change my life so I can get involved with them.
Okay, and where are you from?
North Carolina.
And Judge, there was already an evaluation done and they recommended the MIT caseload.
All right, awesome. So are there any drug issues?
No,
And are you employed?
I am now.
All right, what do you do?
UTSA catering.
Oh, okay, what are you catering at UTSA?
All the events with this.
I
whole
teach at
weekend-
UTSA. Maybe I need to stop by and
Yeah.
do you
wherever
have any
there's
healthy
event.
food there?
Yes. Yes. Where do you teach? I can take you stuff. Because I always try to get rid of it. I don't want to throw it away.
Oh, well, I
And
can't let
so I
you take
go
me
with the
anything.
kids, going down the hallway, trying to get rid with the kids.
Oh, wow, that is awesome that you do that, because you
Don't
know,
throw it away.
people don't realize college students are so poor.
Well, they're hungry.
I heard you had Oreo cake.
We have the best brownies, that's for sure.
Okay. All right, so the item that you pled true, of course, is the money.
Mhm.
So we need to get you sort of on a payment plan for that.
Right.
So with regards to the money, how much are you able to pay per month?
Well, I just started working,
Mhm.
but this week I put in 50 hours.
Okay,
So I want to try to give a couple hundred. I'm not gonna promise that though.
well, here's the thing. I don't want you to make promises you can't
That's what I
keep.
said, I'm not promising.
So based upon your salary, how much money can you pay per week?
Well-
I'm sorry, per month.
Okay, catering, you could get, like this week I did 50 hours. Next week this week I could do 25. But I do make 17.75 an hour. So I'm gonna say anywhere from 30 to 50 hours I will work. So
All right, so are you able to do at least 100 per month?
yes, yes.
All right, so probation, we're gonna start off with 100 per month,
Okay,
and we'll start that with next month, March.
okay. 'Cause I haven't got a first paycheck yet.
All right, because you need to start paying that off. And then even though you didn't plead true to the number one, you gotta stop, okay? So there can be no more picking up new charges. That's not a good thing. And I understand there may be,
You'll
here's the
kill
thing.
that one.
All right.
I understand there are probably issues with that one. That's why you didn't proceed on it. But I just want to put you on notice.
I honestly,
That-
God, I did not do that one.
Okay.
I know, but I didn't do that one.
I just want to put you on notice that in this court, you can't pick up new cases. And if there's an issue, then you need to speak with probation. This court communication is key. When people are on probation, I want them to be successful. Okay.
Okay, what if you get a charge, but you are really innocent?
That ever happens, which is.
So we're going to get a UA from you today. So what are the results of the UA going to be?
Drugs or alcohol.
No,
Okay, so we're going to do a UA today, and your UA appointments, you cannot miss those.
right,
All right.
but am I going to the one I go with probation?
Oh, no, you're going to do one right here in court today. So I'm going to deny the motion, alter and amend conditions for MIG placement. I don't know if money management is an issue. I'll put money management on there. It seemed like the issue was she didn't have employment,
Right,
but I'll put money management class. Theft course. Level 2. I don't know what they teach at the theft course. I'm assuming they teach not to steal.
right,
And here's the thing, don't take what doesn't belong to you. If somebody invites you to the house and they ask you to leave, leave.
right.
If you go to a party and you're a +1, but +1s are not invited, don't go.
Right.
That's my theft course. Taking consideration CM 10535. Was she given any community service?
No, that's it.
And I'm sorry, Judge, it's CM number 105351.
Oh, 105, what?
351.
351. Thank you. All right. Proof of employment within 30 days. There's to be no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. Restitution to be paid at the rate of $100 per month, beginning March 1st. Do you babysit your grandchildren?
No, they're all growing up. They're in college. 3 of them's in college, and the baby is in turn 15 actually today.
All right, I'm gonna want field visits 1 time per month. Regular reporting in person or by Zoom. And regular UAs. Probation, is there anything else? All right. With that, we'll close. Make sure that you stay in communication with probation, you understand?
Yes.
And they're gonna get a UA today and let me know what the results are.
Okay.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Yes. Court is calling 2019 CR 6231B, State of Texas versus Julie Clark. Could I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Daniel S. Clark from the state of Texas.
Defense,
Teresa Garcia for the defendant.
are you Julie Clark?
I'm Jill Clark.
Showing you what's entitled motion to enter adjudication of guilt and revoke community supervision. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes,
Are you the same Julie Clark who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2019 CR 6231B for the offense of forgery of a commercial instrument of check on
Yes.
October 24th, 2019 for a term of 3 years? Is that you?
Yes.
State.
Violated condition number 5 in Bear County, Texas. The defendant, Julie Clark, the then and there failed to report to the supervision officer as directed for the month of November 2023 in violation of condition number 5.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
true.
Your Honor, it was all about.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 5, the court could find it true, grant the motion, sentence you up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine? Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 5?
Yes,
Court will find violation of condition number 5 true. Defense, any objections to the state's waivers?
no,
All right. Is there a proposed agreement?
Yes, Your Honor. It's to alter the amendment and extend for 1 year to reevaluate for DDRF and the mental health initiative while in custody and remain in custody pending transfer to the appropriate program.
That's Judge, that's the agreement that we had talked about.
All right. Ms. Clark, is this what you want?
Yes.
All right. So what I can do is I can extend you for the 1 year. You're waiting custody until DDRF, or either I can revoke you and I'll sentence you to 18 months.
no, I'll take the deal.
All right. We'll extend for 1 year. Alternate amend to include DDRF. Is there anything else?
No, Judge, that is it.
All right, we can go off the record. Ms. Clark, if there's anything that you need to let the court know. We don't know if you need help, if you don't tell us, you understand?
Yes.
All right, good luck to you.
Thank you.
Yes, Judge, thank you.